In the previous videos, we learned to convert the sum and difference form of the sine function into the product form, right? And in this video now we're going to learn our given sum or difference form, or difference form of the cosine function into the product form, right? Cosine function or expression, whatever you can say, right? Into the product form. So to do that, let's suppose I have a plus b angle. This is my supposition, all right? If a plus b equals to c and a minus b is equals to angle d, all right, in that case, if I'll add this both, then what I will get, I need to add, all right? So I'm just plusing both sides, so it will be now plus b and minus b will cancel up, and I'll get twice of a equals to c plus d. Therefore I can write a like c plus d divided by 2, all right? And similarly, what will happen if I'm gonna subtract? Let's see, a plus b equals to c, and again a minus b equals to d. So if I'll subtract, I need to change the sign everywhere, all right? And this plus minus plus a and minus a will cancel up, all right? And I can write this like twice of b equals to c minus d, and b will be equals to c minus d divided by 2. And now what I'm going to do, actually I'm going to replace all the a by c plus d by 2 and all the b by c minus d by 2. So how the equation will turn up, let's see, all right? Let's deal about this first equation, and the first equation will turn something like this. Now cosine of a plus b, right? So cosine of a plus b we have imagined like c, so it is cosine of c and then plus a minus b, right? So a minus b we have supposed as d, so this will be cosine of d will be equals to now twice of cosine of a, right? And a we have recently learned that is c plus d by 2, all right? It is c plus d by 2, and b is here c minus d by 2, so it will be cosine of c minus d by 2. So this is our first equation to convert the sum of the cosine sum of the cosine function, sum of the cosine expression into the product form, all right? Now let's check for the second equation how it will be. And again, cosine of a plus a minus b it is, so a minus b is actually d, and minus cosine of a plus b, that is cosine of c, is equals to now twice of sine a, all right? Sine a, so sine a is actually c plus d by 2, all right? C plus d by 2, and sine b, right? That is sine c minus d by 2. So here we have another equation, all right, to convert the difference form of the cosine function into the product form. So these two functions are really helping, you know, that has a very great role in our trigonometry, and a lot of use we have. For example, simple example I'm taking here. If I have a function, let's say cosine of 70 degree plus cosine of 30 degree, and I need to convert this into the product form, all right, this sum form of the equation into the product form, then what I will write, I'll just compare with this here, cosine c plus cosine d, that's twice of cosine c plus d by 2, so 70 plus 30, 100 divided by 2, that is 50 degree, and then times c minus d by 2, so 70 minus 30, that is 40, and 40 divided by 2, that is cos 20 degree. This is how I converted the sum form of the cosine function into the product form. And let's take another example. Let's take something different, some difference form, right? If I have something like cosine of 30 degree minus cosine of 50 degree, then how I'll write? So here it will be looking like cos d minus cos c, right? Cos d minus c. It's just opposite of another one, all right? Keep in mind, first c was here and d was last. Now here d first and c last. So it is twice of sine c plus d by 2, so that is 30 plus 50 by 2, that is 80 divided by 2, that is 40 degree, and another this part, that is sine c minus d by 2, all right? So sine c minus d, all right? So here our c is 50 and d is 30, so 50 minus 30, 20 divided by 2, that is 10 degree, all right? So again I converted the difference form of the cosine function into the product form. So this is how we need to convert, you know, it really has a great rule. So I'm suggesting my brother and sister at least try 10 to 15 times and learn it, and then go to solve related to this questions related to these two identities, all right? I hope you understand it, and if there is confusion in this video, then please feel free to comment below this video. I really appreciate to hear something from your side, and I hope I expect that you will subscribe the channel, all right? Catch you in the next video. Goodbye.